If you are using the snipping tool, you might have noticed that you just get the snip, which may be exactly what you want. But if you want to add an outline to all of your snips, let me show you how with Windows 11. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here, sharing tips and tricks on everyday software to make life that little bit easier. How do you add a border to all of your captures with the snipping tool? If you don't know much about the new Windows 11 snipping tool, then I will add a link to my video that explains it up here and in the description below. First thing to do is, of course, start the snipping tool. I've been using it, as you can imagine, quite a lot, so it's just in my recent list. And if I create a new snip and grab something off the screen, you can see that it's just there. It shows the background that's already in use. This will let it blend better if you're pasting it into a white background. But if you actually want to make it stand out, you might prefer to have a border around it, which can be switched on automatically. I'm just going to minimize that down to show this better. Move to the top right of the ribbon for the snipping tool and the three dots that are See More. As I click there, I then get a number of options because I have got something snipped. If you haven't got anything snipped, you will find that there are just two options, but the last one will always be Settings. It doesn't show you very much based on the screen, so you can either resize the screen or scroll down whatever you want, but you're looking for the option Add Border to each screenshot. Use the toggle to switch that on, and before you move away, click on the drop down arrow at the end of that to see exactly what the border is going to look like. So I've got the default as a black border, which is what I prefer, and the thickness is fairly thin. You can, of course, use the slider to increase that as you want, but I personally prefer the default. Scroll back up and click on the arrow in the top left-hand corner to come out of the settings. And you can see because I've got one on the screen, it's automatically added that in for me. If I now pull my browser back up, switch back to the snipping tool, and I'm going to create a new snip, you can see it has added that in automatically for me. Save or copy the snip and continue as normal. Click the thumbs up button to like this video, and if you'd like to be told as new videos are released, then remember to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, and click that notification bell. I'll see you next time.